Whether you think you can, or you think you can't, you're right. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning, stays young. Failure is only the opportunity, more intelligently to begin again. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. If I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said, faster horses. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. Vision without execution is just hallucination. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Quality means doing it right, when no one is looking. Nothing is particularly hard, if you divide it into small jobs. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. Chop your own wood, and it will warm you twice. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience and ability. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. You can't learn and chew what the world is going to do next year. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle, as well as from your own. Success is 99% failure. There are three things that grow more precious with age: old wood to burn, old books to read, and old friends to enjoy. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. A business absolutely devoted to service will have only one worry about profits: they will be embarrassed. There is no disgrace in honest failure. There is disgrace in fearing to fail. There is joy in work. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. Everything comes to him who hustles while he waits. Genius is seldom recognized for what it is: a great capacity for hard work. Money doesn't make us, anyway, it just unmasks us. Givers have to set limits, because takers rarely do. When everything seems to be going against you. Remember that. The airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. Before everything else, getting ready is the